Hello friends, thank you first of all for appreciating and enjoying the recipes I've been posting for you all. And today what I'm going to share with you is something which I've really enjoyed. In fact, in the last 1 week I've made it twice because my kids liked it so much. So it's sole fish with lemon butter and capers and a lot of healthy vegetables. Of course, if you don't have sole, you can use any other fillet. And the vegetables I have used are zucchini, yellow and green zucchini, broccoli, spinach, and of course I have thrown in whatever mushrooms I had left at home. And also, very important, which makes it really delicious, is these boiled potatoes. Ideally, you should try and use baby potatoes if you have some. Boil them and just throw them in with the vegetables. But whatever works for you, enjoy this one pot meal. Just serve it as a complete meal with the vegetable, potatoes and the fish. So enjoy a happy and healthy meal. So take a fish of your choice. Sole fish is yummy. You take a pan with some oil and lightly fry this till it's golden on both sides. You can season it slightly with salt and pepper and then let it fry. Now in a pan I have taken zucchini, green and yellow zucchini, and I have put the garlic already in it, so it's frying together. And then once this vegetables are sauteed, you don't keep it very high the flame. I'm adding the broccoli. Approximately same size is nice because they're all the same size, and then stir them in. All these vegetables cook rather fast and you don't want them overcooked or mushy, so stir them and then cover it for some time. Now we look at our fish. It is slightly starting to brown. I'm not cooking it on a very high flame because I don't want to burn my fish, and I don't want to overcook it either because it's a very delicate fish. So carefully turn it on the other side and let it cook for a little more time. Just let it be golden, light golden in color. And now we come back to our vegetables. They are steaming. Add some salt and let it cook for a little more time. And then I've added whatever mushrooms I had left and I wanted to utilize them. I love mushrooms in any case. So you again stir them in. So now I'm going to add some pepper since I forgot to do that. And also I think some chili flakes will make it nice. Otherwise it can be a bit bland. So I like to add a certain amount of chili flakes into this. I have boiled some potatoes. Normally smaller baby potatoes are ideal for this with the skin on. And once the potatoes are boiled, you take them out from here. And since these are slightly biggish in size, I'm going to mash them because you don't want it to be hard to eat with the soft fish. So slightly crush them slightly, not into pieces but slightly, and add them to your vegetables because they need to get the flavor of the vegetables since they're only boiled as of now. And keep stirring them inside. They have to merge well with the flavors of the vegetables. We should cover this and let it steam together for a little more time. And now I think it is time that we add the spinach to it because that also needs some steaming in it. And we don't want to overcook the vegetables because the zucchini doesn't taste nice, nor does the broccoli if it's overcooked and mushy. So now I'm going to add the spinach on top of all the vegetables, and then we'll just cover it and let it steam for some more time. Yes, now all the vegetables are put in together on a very medium flame. As you can see now, our fish is just perfectly done, lightly brown and very nice color on it. And then we start the very important process of the lemon butter sauce. So in the same pan, I'm going to add some butter. I'm a little confused where butter is concerned, but I think you need to put more butter than this. I've just put 2 spoons. I think you need to be a little more generous with the butter. And let the butter melt in the same pan. So while the butter is melting, keep stirring the butter, and then we are going to add the lemon juice, which is going to make the butter so delicious. The lemon butter is going to be absolutely the best thing in the fish. And then we'll add the capers to it. Now these capers are very easily available in the market in a bottled form, and you add the capers to it. And that it's actually a French recipe, the lemon butter with capers. So here we are, the sauce is ready, and now you can put the flame off. Now for our healthy vegetables. You must have noticed that I hardly put any oil in the vegetables, just a little bit olive oil in the beginning with the garlic and the zucchini. But overall, everything is just steamed in these vegetables. So make sure you keep covering it. Another thing is that you can't keep it on high fire, as I already mentioned. So I'm going to give it one last stir, and I can see that my vegetables are ready and cooked. I'm sorry this is a bit clumsy because I'm shooting with one hand and I'm stirring with the other, so that's why it's looking a little clumsy. So now we're going to plate our vegetables, equal amount of all the vegetables at the bottom of the plate. On top of all these vegetables, then we are going to place the fish. So the little potatoes and the spinach, zucchini, broccoli, all of it, whatever the vegetables you put. And on top of these vegetables, we are going to place our nicely golden brown fish. Well, the topping, which is going to add flavor to the fish, is the lemon butter with capers. So just drizzle a generous amount of the lemon butter on top of the fish. A little bit can go on the vegetables too. And then our fish is ready to be served.